consider how integration of generative AI, especially through reinforcement learning and inverse reinforcement learning techniques, sets the stage for a transformative era in financial mastery. So these technologies are not just buzzwords, but a pivotal tool in revolutionizing asset allocation and wealth management. To start with, let's understand what is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is basically a type of machine learning in which an agent learns to make decisions in an environment by performing specific actions or receiving feedback in the form of rewards. It is essentially learned by trial and error without the need of labeled data upfront. So imagine a scenario where we train a virtual robot to navigate a maze through exploration and feedback. It learns the best path to take, much like we aim to optimize our strategies in the financial market. So reinforcement learning holds tremendous potential for quantitative finance. It can inform the development of trading strategies, enhance portfolio management through dynamic asset allocation, and improve risk management by anticipating market shift. So one of the core techniques under reinforcement learning, known as Q-learning, help to understand the values of different actions, paving the way for informed decision makers in trading and investment. However, another side to this coin is inverse reinforcement learning. Inverse reinforcement learning helps us to infer the objective behind the decision made by the expert by analyzing their actions. So it answers the why behind every decision, provide insights into the reward system that guide expert behavior. For instance, by studying the action of a seasoned investor or a trader, inverse reinforcement learning can help to analyze the principles that drive their asset allocation decisions. So further, by bringing reinforcement and inverse reinforcement learning together offers a holistic approach to optimize asset allocation and portfolio. Reinforcement learning can develop adaptive strategies based on continuous market data interaction, while inverse reinforcement learning redefines these strategies by aligning them with the proven practices of successful investors. So this communication boosts performance and ensures that strategies are transparent, risk-averse, and closely mimic real-world successful behaviors. Further, the practical implications of combining reinforcement and inverse reinforcement learnings are vast. We are already seeing algorithmic training models that adapt to market dynamics more efficiently, like those offered by innovative financial tech companies. Portfolio management services use reinforcement learning to adjust asset allocation to maximize return while managing risk dynamically. Furthermore, robo-advisories are using inverse reinforcement learning to understand better and emulate human financial advisor decision-making processes. So in summary, by integrating reinforcement learning and inverse reinforcement learning in financial services, give herald a new wave of advancements in quantitative finance. It promises more effective, transparent, and robust investment strategies by adapting technology-driven insights with the wisdom of seasoned financial experts. So as we continue to harness these AI capabilities, we are not merely dreaming of revolutionizing financial landscape, but actively building it. Thank you all for your attention. I look forward to witness these exciting developments unfold with you. Thank you very much.